of the most common issues I see among new jumpers is improper rope rotation. This is going to hold you back from growing in your skills and abilities tremendously, and I think that people underestimate the importance of rope rotation because if you can't rotate the rope properly, that means you're not going to be able to size your rope correctly and you're not going to be able to hit your proper form and technique. So let's settle this right here. I'm going to show you the 2 most common errors that I see and show you what to focus on so you don't have to deal with this issue anymore. Let's do this.
The first issue I see is too much arm movement. Don't rotate from the shoulder or elbow joint. This slows rope tempo and doesn't allow for form consistency, leading to more trip-ups. Instead, the wrist should be the main driving force behind the rope. Small wrist circles allow you to easily increase your tempo, maintain good form and technique, creating a very consistent rope path. Consistency equals less trip-ups. The next issue is stiff arms and wrists. Here you can see I'm moving the rope with a back and forth motion because everything is locked stiff. Keep a slight bend in your arms and stay relaxed. If you have stiff wrists, really exaggerate the wrist circles. The video pictured here shows how stiff wrists can affect your rope and will be linked at the end of this video. You may be wondering how to start the rope. If you only use wrists here, it's not going to go well. I have a couple options for you. Option 1 is cue the rope up behind your bottom of your calves, pulling it tight. In one motion, swing the rope back and up with your arms pulling it overhead. Then drop your hands into proper form to continue jumping with proper technique. Another option, and one I often use, is the side swing start. The advantage here is already having rope momentum at the first jump. As a beginner, I recommend starting with the first option, as this one is a little bit trickier. Fixing rope rotation issues isn't difficult, but does require you to focus on it. You have a natural habit or have built a habit to perform a different way, and you need to break it. This comes from repetition. For more on the basics, check out these videos on the left, and I will see you in the next video.